to teach young children.
Oh, wow.
You can imagine this challenge that we have.
But now y'all talk together about how you're gonna teach us, and you and actually plan it out, like if you're gonna draw something or not. Don't you think? What do you think? Like today?
Whatever, if you feel that you can make us understand it, however you think that you can do that best. Good luck.
Yeah, I don't. I've never done
See, and you
that.
have to know the information well. So if you feel like there's something you don't understand, then ask each other questions.
You don't have to draw it out if you don't want to. Just be able to explain it to us in a way that.
And we're gonna try and teach y'all, which it helps. 'Cause I feel like Logan might already know, so we can keep. I don't know. We can do this. We can do this, Rick. Rick's like,
Yeah, like oh.
Okay. So, alright,
We'll just
I'd say we stick with teaching terms.
That's all this is really, and then showing examples. I just don't understand. I didn't read this part, so I don't know what this is talking about.
See, I just like.
What is complaining? What is that? Points that line. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I thought we could do that.
Oh, see, I didn't even know what that meant.
I could write that about it.
Yeah, I thought we could do. So how are we? Who's gonna start first?
Like what?
Oh no, I thought we could like start with these and then do those definitions.
I guess ask them what kind
Just go over definitions because that's all that I know how to do.
Okay, yeah, I think that's perfect. Like we can
like start with these and go to those.
then yeah, that sounds great. And then we can alternate. So like, say you want to say like, say if you say the definitions, or say if I say the definitions, do you point? Or say if you say the definitions, then I point the examples out. Then say if you say the definitions, then no.
Yeah,
Does that make sense? What I'm saying, if we alternate,
there's no examples for these, but
and
they're apparently important, I guess.
yeah. Oh yeah. So maybe say if you say those definitions, and I say these definitions, and you point them out, or vice versa.
So start with these,
and then yeah, and then work our way. And then I think we can show examples. We can show examples of these when we show examples of here,
Okay.
because they're in this definition.
All right.
What should we do with this one? I haven't read this one. Do you understand this one?
What do you think? Intersects the two. How do you say that?
Co-planner. Transversal is a line that intersects
two different points. A transversal T and the other two lines R and S form a line.
Oh, okay. So this would be their co-planner. I mean, this would be the transversal line. Because co-planner is. Okay.
Alright, we're at 13 minutes.
Okay. Sorry.
No, we probably should. I don't.
Why would they pay sanctions? Well, they kind of were before. They were getting protection from the
Okay. Yeah, I guess we should go ahead and teach each other what we've done. If you're not done, it's okay, and we can try and teach whatever we've grasped. Yeah.
Okay, so should we go first? Since
We
we're
can
in the
let.
section before.
Oh yeah, I guess we will go first since we're section 1. Okay, we're gonna start since we're section 1. I feel like we're gonna do a horrible job. It's okay. Okay. Do you want to start? Yeah, it's going. I was checking. It's still going, which is good. Okay, Hannah's gonna start by telling y'all key definitions.
Okay.
I mean,
Are you familiar with coplanar points? Points that lie on the same plane. Do you understand that?
So say if they
that's the way they.
this probably sounds so crazy because it's like foreign to us too. But say this is a plane of a square, so the points lie on that plane. That's what coplanar means,
And okay,
I believe.
yeah, supplementary. Thank you. Supplementary angles. Familiar with those? Okay, and there are two angles with a sum of 180.
So like, say this angle, this isn't drawn correctly. Wait. Well, yeah. Okay, I guess it just drawn correctly, but 90-90, those angles will be supplementary. Okay.
And
Oh, y'all already know this. We're like just new to it.
all right. Well, I guess I know what it would be. Okay. Linear pair. Do you know what a linear pair is? What's a linear pair? Okay, it's a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Does that make sense? Okay.
It doesn't make sense to me. Does it make sense to you?
I'm iffy about.
You're iffy?
Pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays.
So adjacent means they're side by side, correct? Like adjacent is that means they're next door.
Yeah.
So a pair of adjacent angles, so there's two angles that's next door to each other whose non-common sides
Are opposite rays.
I still don't understand that fully.
I'm not sure what opposite rays.
It's what?
Opposite rays. They go different.
Go different
Oh,
directions.
okay.
See, where would we be without y'all? Okay, and
Oh, okay. So that's just saying that a linear pair is. Okay, so that's like a linear pair. It's two dots like that on that arrow.
okay, all right. So, are y'all familiar with parallel lines, perpendicular lines, skew lines, and parallel planes?
Like, can you like, so if I were to draw it, would you be able to point them out? Would you be able to point them out?
Probably.
Okay, so I'm gonna try it because we're teaching y'all, so I want to make sure that you know this fully. Oh, this is an ugly drawing.
Are you what? Are you?
Sorry, it's an ugly drawing. You have to bear with me. So, I know. Let's call this S and this is R. Okay. What type of lines are these two? Yes.
Good job.
Now,
Skew.
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 It's skew. Do you know why it's a skew line?
Perpendicular on different points.
Yeah, I know
Okay.
Logan knows. Okay, can you hold on, I'm gonna let bro try. So can you, like what he just said, can you re-say that in your own words why this is a skew?
No, because he basically said what I was going to say.
Or you can say it again if you understand it fully. You can say that again. Like why it's a skew?
Because they're on the same plane when it comes to each other.
Because they're what?
They're on the same plane when it comes to each other.
Well, they're on different planes.
Yeah.
So skew, one way you can think of it, skew, like how do you remember skew? I know for me, I was thinking like they're nowhere near each other. Kind of.
I guess they're like,
I don't know. That's how
we take notes and then like during class we go over them before we take our tests. Then skew like stuff like that is normally vocabulary words that we do.
Okay.
Okay, and here it says that skew lines are not coplanar and skew lines are not parallel and do not intersect.
So they're like, so whenever you look at it, they're nowhere. Whenever you look at it, they're nowhere near each other. Does that make sense? Kind of? Okay, we're gonna go over another one of these. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm not gonna say it out loud yet because I don't want y'all to say it. Okay, Logan, don't say anything. Not yet. What is this?
You don't speak in
That's a, I know. Is it,
You can guess.
what is my guess?
No, I'm saying like you can guess anything.
Right. Yes. A lot. Do you want me to go when they're complaining and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Maybe point out what you're.
What? Oh, well, what?
Yeah.
What